Assign Pandas Dataframe column types. I want to set the types of multiple columns in pd.dataframe. I have a file that I've had to manually parse into a list of lists, as the file was not amenable for pd.read_csv. I get. The only way I can set them is by looping through each column variable and recasting with a stype. Is there a better way?
Since 0.17, you have to use the explicit conversions. As mentioned below, no more magic, convert_objects has been deprecated in 0.17. You can apply these to each column you want to convert. And confirm the type is updated. Old/deprecated answer for Pandas 0.12 to 0.16. You can use convert_objects to infer better types. Magic! Sad to see it deprecated.
You can set the types explicitly with Pandas Dataframe .astype, type, copy equals true, raise _on_error equals true, quarks, and pass in a dictionary with the types you want to type. Here's an example. You get. With. Now you can see that it's changed.
For those coming from Google, etc., or such as myself. Convert_objects has been deprecated since 0.17. If you use it, you get a warning like this one. You should do something like the following. df happy smiley, df.astype, np.float. df, OA, happy smiley, pd.to_numeric, df, OA.
Another way to set the column types is to first construct a number py record array with your desired types, fill it out, and then pass it to a dataframe constructor.
You're better off using typed np.arrays, and then pass the data and column names as a dictionary.
Push que se lave esse código.